Have you ever wondered what separates the successful from the mediocre? What makes some people achieve greatness while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer is simple: focus. Focus is the key to success. It is the ability to concentrate on what matters most, to block out distractions, and to pursue your goals with passion and determination. But what does it mean to focus? How can we cultivate this trait in ourselves? These are the questions that we will explore today. Let me start with a fact. Did you know that the average person gets distracted every 40 seconds? That's right, every 40 seconds. With so many distractions around us, it's no wonder that so many people struggle to achieve their goals. But the good news is that focus is a skill that can be learned and developed. So how can we cultivate focus in ourselves? The first step is to set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve and then focus all your energy on achieving it. The second step is to eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone, close your email, and focus on the task at hand. The third step is to practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment and focus on what you are doing right now. Don't worry about the past or the future, just focus on the present. Now, let me share a story with you. There was once a young man who wanted to become a professional athlete. He had a dream of winning an Olympic gold medal, but he knew that he had to focus if he wanted to achieve his goal. So he made a plan. He woke up early every morning, trained for hours, and eliminated all distractions from his life. And you know what? He achieved his goal. He won the gold medal, and he became a legend in his sport. This young man's story is a testament to the power of focus. It is the ability to concentrate on what matters most, to block out distractions, and to pursue your goals with passion and determination. It is the key to success. So, my friends, I urge you to cultivate focus in yourselves. Set clear goals, eliminate distractions, and practice mindfulness. Remember, focus fuels achievement. Pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work. So, go out there and pursue your goals with passion and determination. Focus on what matters most, and success will follow.